So many people are out there trying to grow their small portfolios right now. So today I'm going to be talking about a strategy that can turn $10 into $100 or $100 into $1,000. That's right. We're going to be talking about how to 10x your money with a small portfolio. And I really think you're going to like what I have for you. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ace Hunley, and I love to share financial strategies to help you improve your situation. So if you like that, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. People think that you need a large portfolio to make a lot of money, and I just want to debunk that myth today, because you can actually turn a small portfolio into a medium portfolio and even a larger one. It just takes skill, knowledge, and managing your risk. The combination of all three of these things will allow you to grow a small portfolio. If you want to make a ton of money for a small amount of risk, this strategy might just be the one for you. There's potential for huge amounts of profit while simultaneously being a limited risk strategy, which just means there's no way that you can lose over a certain amount of money. So today I'm going to be showing you today's strategy on 3 different stocks. The strategy I'm going to show you today is used when you think it's highly likely that a stock is not going to rise or fall by much. You think that the stock is going to trade sideways, and for that, you're going to be paid handsomely if you use this strategy. You can pick your own stocks. This is just me showing you an example. You don't have to copy this. I'm not a financial advisor. The goal here is for you to learn everything that you can and then apply that knowledge to your own choice of stocks based off your own assumptions. All right, so the first thing I'm going to show you today is we're going to pull up NVIDIA. So we'll go here, type it in here at the top. And then down here towards the right here, you're going to see a button that says Trade NVIDIA Options. And now you can, up here at the top, you can pick any date you want. I typically go for weekly options, which in this case is actually only 2 days away. The reason why is because not a whole lot can happen in a given week unless there's an event like earnings or there's a Fed meeting. It's just easier to bet on a stock going sideways for a week compared to betting on it going sideways for an entire month if you were to pick something like February 14th expiration. So let's take a look at the option chain here. NVIDIA is currently trading at $136.12. And again, as an option trader using today's strategy, it would be because my assumption is that the stock is going to move sideways. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to sell a call option that is at the money. So we're going to go up here to the top and hit sell and make sure it has a call selected here. And then I'm going to hit the plus symbol next to the strike price that is closest to what it's trading at now. So that would be $136. Now pay attention to the next step, which is very important. We're going to go up here and hit buy. And we're going to buy the call option above, which is the 137. And we're going to hit the call option below, which is the 135. This is going to be important when you see this strategy actually play out. Now, if you notice off to the side here, the cost is $208 at the moment, but what I'm going to do right here where you see this custom, the word custom right here, there's actually a drop down menu, and I'm going to go down to custom. Rather than a 1-to-1-to-1 ratio, we're actually going to sell 2 of these $136 calls. Now that we enter that in, we can come down here. And you guys can see this is a very beautiful chart, and I'm going to explain it right now. The max loss is right here. Maximum that we can lose is $10. However, you can actually profit $90 plus your $10 back. So you can actually 10x your money on this trade. Now, again, the assumption here is that NVIDIA stays right around the trading price of $136. So at this point right here in the middle is where you're going to see a max profit of $90. And you're only going to start losing money if NVIDIA trades less than 135 or more than $137. So as long as NVIDIA stays within this range, within this green range right here, you're going to walk away with some money. Right here, you can 5x your money if at the end of January 17th, NVIDIA is trading at $136.37. you'll actually 5x your money. Or if NVIDIA is trading as low as $135.63, you'll 5x your money. Now, this is a strategy that's fantastic for growing a small portfolio on a stock that isn't going to move very much. So this is a good strategy for some of the people that want to aggressively grow their portfolios, because this is a strategy where you can actually double and triple your money. So some of the people with smaller accounts are going to want to incorporate this strategy into their toolkit. So let's go over to another company and try the same strategy so you guys can get used to how it's done. Let's go ahead and go over to AMD. So we'll type it in at the top here. And over here to the right, we're going to click on Trade AMD Options. And just like we did with NVIDIA, we're going to hit the sell selector right here, and we're going to sell a call at the money. It's trading at $120, so the closest strike price is going to be right here at 120. We'll hit that, and just like with NVIDIA, we're going to hit the buy, and we're going to buy one strike above and one strike below. And over here, it shows it's going to cost us $164, but once we hit the custom, change the ratio to 2 sells here and one purchased here, one purchased there. Now our total cost is $8. And if we come down here, the maximum we can lose is $9, but the maximum profit is $91 plus the $8 that we paid. Means that you can 10x your money on this trade. Lastly, let's go over to a third example, and we're gonna look at Tesla. So we'll type it in here, and then we'll go over to Tesla options. We're gonna leave it just like the other two at January 17th expiration, which is 2 days from now. We're gonna sell it at the money call. So the closest to what it's trading at right now would be $427.50. And then we're going to buy the leg above, which is $430, and buy the leg below. Right now it's costing us $898. That's before we change the ratio. So we're going to go 2 sells to equal out both of the purchases here. Now our cost is $13. And as you can see down here, the maximum we can lose is $13, and the maximum profit we can make is $237 plus the $13 that we use in the first place. So let's add that together. We got $237 plus the $13. So we can walk away with $250. Meaning that's a 19x on our money for this trade here. So this is awesome because your loss is defined here. You cannot lose more than $13. So this is a great way for smaller accounts to really grow. This is a strategy to use when you're seeing that a stock is fixing to start moving sideways. You can really benefit and cash in on a stock, not doing too much in the near future. But you want to have your own assumptions, use your own choices of stocks based off your own research. If your assumptions fit this description, then go ahead and run this type of strategy where you expect the stock to trend sideways and stay within a certain range. This strategy will work phenomenally if your assumptions turn out to be correct. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button and be sure to subscribe to see more content. If you want to see one of the most effective ways to save more money in order to have more to trade, check out this video right here. And if you want to see the video that YouTube thinks you would enjoy the most, check out that video there. Peace.